Privado behind the camera.
Say what's up, say what's up.
So I'm gonna put him, I gotta learn how to like burn the face out.
Put in the emoji.
Michael Myers emoji.
Yeah, how do you pause it? Just click the red button again? Yeah. I bet. Say what's up to your camera, bro.
Yes, tú, puto.
500 punches. Hey, what's up? We're right here at the shop with that boy, Money Bag Yo.
The weekly thing. What the camera you guys be
He back? So he recording. Alright guys, so
plug behind the camera. You said we go bought out. No, what I said is that by the year. Oh yeah, by the year.
It's because you ain't getting boss to watch your videos.
I don't know, man. Now, but they use like you can be watching slip.
So praying gone wrong. That can be the title. Praying gone wrong because we didn't do it.
Clickbait.
Clickbait. First, you could be like first clickbait of the year. Or be like smoking a blunt. Smoking a blunt. He got a big old blunt on the camera. Oh shit.
Yeah, like.
It actually takes profit.
For what?
You know the Morenos? Remember the Morenos used to watch? The Morenos? Derek Dixon, honestly? Well, they're like barbers. They had some bad bitches in the video.
Bro, I said we do some basketball videos, bro. I want a 1v1 make it alone.
Make alone, you good at basketball?
Oh,
Tell that nigga Jules truck, that nigga there. Bitch ass nigga. Tell that nigga truck. Hey, yeah. That bitch ass nigga right there. I'm gonna whip it. Fuck the nigga truck. I'm gonna take a little spin. Hell yeah. Let me zoom out. Then a bit rubbing. Damn, that shit fire. Damn, that shit fire. I'm gonna need me a little truck like this soon. Haha. That shit fire. Gotta be careful, you know, can't crash this truck, it's not mine. Fuck that nigga Jill, man. What the fuck you talking about? Tell that nigga weird for real now. I was just joking last time, bro. Fuck that nigga though. That's fine. He cool though. He cool. Yeah. I'm gonna catch it when I get with him, bro. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, this shit clean truck though. I wouldn't mind taking this shit for real, for real. Shit, let's go. Get with that pussy ass nigga Jill. Where you at? Chill off, buy that truck, bro. Buy that truck. Hey.
You nigga vlogging it?
Don't get mad, bro, my man. Bro, stay losing shit, bro. Look for it, gotta be in there. Look, look, look. Look. Nigga, es que mirando. You're stupid.
Just why you always hiding my shit?
I don't know, nigga. I like messing with this nigga. He cool, bro. He don't get butthurt, bro. That's why I fuck with him. He don't get butthurt.
Hey, y'all make sure to pull up 28. My motherfucking privada.
Hell no, whack that party. Hell no. I was playing. Pull up, bro, for real. I'm gonna be there. Nah, I was playing. Hey, I'm gonna be private guest.
Type shit. Hey, my trip will be hell yeah, I got you in trade. I just told you. I'm telling you right now. Why the fuck would you tell me?
Think about the cat. What up, YouTube? It's fucking Vlogmas 24. Hey, I'm making some quesadillas de barbacoa. Hey, took a little bite, ain't gonna lie. Hey, yeah, that's what I got right now. 2 quesadillas. There we go. It's a little good. Still hungry. Hey, about to try out these motherfuckers. It's like it's late as fuck though, bro. I'm hungry, man. Hey, about to go to shop anyways, like in a few hours. Hey. Fuck. I want some. Come here. Yeah, I be getting that shit a lot. Hey, but I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, share that shit. For real. Thanks for all the supporters. Hope you have a Merry Christmas though, even though it's Christmas Eve though. Or this is vlog 23rd though, you know. About to shower, bro. Get ready, better get a cut at 6 in the morning. Hey, I got a little fresh. Hey, y'all stay safe though.